Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. When the shaved in, it's time for another shave. Well, we've started the week. I hope your week is going good so far. It's going pretty slow here, but we can only hope that it speeds up towards the end of the week. Hope you had a good weekend. The Kentucky Derby. I was a big gambler. I bet 20 bucks on the stupid Kentucky Derby, and I won 5. What a great way for me to trade my money. I bet the favorite. Favorite came in second, but I had win place show, so I ended up doing okay, but it was still a good race. Man, they were running in mud. If you watched it, you know what I'm talking about. All right, well, in today's shave, obviously you can tell I need to shave. In today's shave, I'm going to be using a couple of products that have been requested, and some people have said, hey, Ken, you've got the Avon products, but you haven't used them in a while. What's going on? And it's true. I'm going to use some Avon, and this is Spice. I'm going to use some Avon Aftershave, vintage. You gotta like that. You gotta like that decanter. If you haven't got these or you haven't seen these, go on eBay. They're awesome. You can. I got the turkey. Look at that. I got the turkey there. I've got a 65 Mustang or a 64 Mustang. Got the Capital. Usually these are all wild country, but this one happens to be Spice, and it actually smells, oops, lid. Smells pretty good. Smells like typical 70s and 60s aftershaves. The vintage type. The Avon smells good. It smells just like it, but they have some awesome decanters. And someone said, hey, you don't use your FATBOY anymore. What's up with a FATBOY? And I've just got so many razors to try that I haven't had a chance to use the FATBOY in a while. But got the original box. Had to buy this box separately. The box that I bought this in off eBay was cracked. I ended up finding a nice empty box on eBay. So now I've got kind of the complete set. It's kind of cool. It's in good condition. We're going to use the twist to open FATBOY. And, oh, I think I'm going to use, I'll use Persona blades in here because I have so many of these blades. So many of them. I'm going to be using this today. And I'm going to be using some, I haven't used it in a while, Seaforth Heather. They make great soaps. I just haven't used it in a while. I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be using the Chubby in ruby red. Faux ruby. There we go. Put that in the crystal skull. There we go. So anyhow, it was a good weekend. Had a good barbecue. Went and saw Thunderbolts with the father-in-law and my son. And my son usually doesn't want to go to movies, but he goes, "Oh, you going to see Thunderbolts? I want to go see that." And hey, good movie. Only problem is I don't watch a lot of these TV series on Disney where, Winter Soldier. And so it took a while. My son explained to me, hey, here's this new Captain America. Here's this guy. Here's that guy. So, but good movie. Kept me entertained for 2 hours. I'm not going to complain. Here we go. Got the FATBOY loaded in. One of the more popular of the vintage razors. And as you can see, I've got it set on 3. So, enough talk. I need a shave real bad. Let's get this shave going. And welcome. All right. Wet the face. Oh, what's in your shaved in? My wife goes, you got to wear this shirt. You've got a lot of displays in there. I'm sure a lot of people have, displays in their den, unless their wife says no. But since my wife doesn't use this bathroom, she uses the main bathroom, I kind of get to do whatever I want here. But I'm always getting in trouble that it's cluttered. Seaforth Heather. Here we go. I've also been watching My Friends and Neighbors on Apple TV, kind of a good series. Kind of caught up. I got to watch The Last of Us. I haven't started season 2 yet. I like the first season, but that's not something my wife will watch with me. And you guys who live with your wife or your girlfriend, you know what I'm talking about. If you're watching it without them, you're ignoring them, and it's just not going to happen. So the best time I get to watch those shows is when my wife's out doing something, because the horror and the sci-fi stuff is just a no-go. Not with her. Not my daughter. She loves that stuff. Whoops. Don't want to break the aftershave just yet. It's a huge container. All right, here we go. Let's get this shave started, shall we? Setting 3. One guy new to the channel says, I don't see you using the other edge of the razor. Well, I do. I rotate it. You just kind of don't see it, but I am rotating it. Probably should have put a feather in there. Oh, there's a mailman. Yep. Oh, the dog's sleeping. Otherwise, you would have known the mailman was here. Very good. Very good. It's raining here in SoCal today. Not much, but it's here. I was disappointed to see that the city of Huntington Beach is not going to host the Olympics for surfing or volleyball. They were going to. For some reason, they're not now. They're going to be doing the surfing south of me in San Clemente, and I don't know where they're going to do the volleyball, but man, well, they do the U.S. Open of surfing here. Oh, now the dog just figured it out. He just figured out there's a mailman at the door. And if he comes in here, he's going to go nuts. Rotating it. Here we go. Mother's Day is coming up. Don't be like me last year. You know, my mother passed away, and I went out on Mother's Day morning cowboy action shooting at my local club, and I've been in trouble ever since. You know, I made the stupid mistake of telling my wife. She goes, "Hey, you left me on Mother's Day." I go, "But you're not my mom." Don't do as I do. You know. This year for Mother's Day, I am, and you know what? Them people at my club, they're doing the damn cowboy action shoot on Mother's Day again. And I'm missing that. So I got my wife her present. I'm gonna go out to dinner. My kids are taking her out. I'm gonna be with. And it's gonna be a nice weekend. Not like last year. Okay. So if you guys haven't got your mom a card or your wife a card or flowers or whatever you do, don't get in trouble. Just do it. Do it in advance. Don't try to go get a Mother's Day card on Mother's Day. You'll be left over with, you know, you're the best grandma. Happy Mother's Day. It's just not going to work. Now there's the dog. He's outside the door now. I hear him snorting. Snorting and sniffing. That's not me, it's him. If he sees that mailman across the street, he's going to start. Oh, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Man, I think this is a 1960 60 or 52. I'll have to look. I'll have to look. Let's see. I'll put it right here what year it is. You know, I'll put it right there. But man, the Fat Boys are awesome. Okay. And you can buy restored Fat Boys, like completely made over and refinished. Great Father's Day gift, right? If your kids say, Dad, what do you want? Well, I wouldn't mind a vintage Gillette razor if you're into double edge DE shaving. Well, Mr. Spot, we're going to do the dry shave. There we go. All right. Avon Spice. I got this in the box. You know, you collectors, you wet shavers, they're available now, these things, at a reasonable price, but sooner or later, they're going to go through the roof. And I'm telling you, this smells very, very, very good. And you know what? My wife was saying I should mention that you could pour your favorite aftershave in these once these are empty. You can find them empty all the time, but you know, it's kind of nice to find them with the original scent in them. Okay. Ooh, nice burn. Nice burn. And zero nicks. You know, 50-year-old razor, still working great. Never been rebuilt, never been refinished. You can find them, but they are becoming few and far between on the internet. As, you know, as us collectors or us wet shavers, and as wet shaving is becoming popular again, a lot of people watch this channel and they go, oh man, I see some cool things back there. I need one of those. And then, you know, I can get some of that high karate and, you know, some of that stuff. And it's just the way it is. I watch a lot of you guys' videos and I go, I gotta have that razor. I gotta try out that soap. Oh, that brush. So I know how it is. It's a rabbit hole once you go down, but it is a fun rabbit hole. And it's personal grooming. Personal grooming. There we go. Well, thank you very much for watching. And I do look forward to seeing you very soon. I've got something new from PAA that just arrived at the P.O. Box. I gotta go get that. And looking forward to trying some new products soon, but it is just awesome trying these old products out. Let's take that blade out of there. We don't want this rusting. And actually, this would probably be good for 2 or 3 more shaves. But since I have so many of them, it's going in the blade bank. Ready for the next new one. What a waste. But then again, I'm using a channel. Oh, flinging water. Flinging water. I'm doing a YouTube channel, so I kind of, if I was using the same item over and over and over again, I don't think it would go over very well. It'd be a boring shave channel. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your subscriptions. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Stay safe.